Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1 available on your Android device? And we can check it in the Play Store. So we need to find this application. And Philips offer only one application for the headphones. It calls Philips headphones. We need to scroll down, and about the app, here is list with supported devices. And our model is Fidelio T1, so right here we have it. And I already add these headphones to the application. So my short answer is yes, the application available for your Android. But if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to the app, you can check these videos at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!